plumbing, don't miss out. 5-day plumbing course.
I just made 400 pounds for myself in like 30 minutes. And 100 pounds was the toilet itself from Screwfix. For a change, I wanted to take out the olive ring with the nut. I will use a new one this time instead of reusing the old one.
Plumbing, don't miss out. 5-day plumbing course. Don't miss out. 5-day plumbing course.
I opened up the water again for the customer because I installed the isolation valves, so it shut off from there.
Don't miss out. 5-day plumbing course.
The big hole is for the flush, and the second biggest hole is for the inlet valve, and the other two holes is for the bolts.
Plumbing.